Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's talk about an option about buying your first airplane. And in this case, we're going to use a broker to buy our first airplane because we're buying it from a shop, supposedly Grumman knowledgeable, but we don't really know. We want a little bit of confidence. We're a professional pilot. This is going to be our first airplane, so we'd like not to make any mistakes. So we hire a broker, and now let's talk about what a broker does for helping us buy our first airplane.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So know right up front that when you hire a broker, he's going to charge a fee, and it's usually going to be a percentage of the selling of the airplane. But he offers many other helpful areas that he can assist you with in the buying of your first aircraft, and it also gives you that buyer protection that you're going to be following a script, you're not going to deviate from it. And for all the inputs, the output will be that you'll be having your first airplane, you'll know it's in good shape, and you'll be confident in it. So stay tuned for some more. Now, when you use a broker, you're going to follow a checklist, and it's going to have a script. First thing you're going to do is work out a price, and that's going to lead to a pre-purchase agreement. Then you're going to look at the pre-purchase inspection. It's going to be done by an independent shop that knows the aircraft to inspect what's been done to the aircraft by another supposedly knowledgeable Grumman shop. And then along the way, the broker also will provide insured flight instructors who are rated in the aircraft that's being bought and be able to assist with moving it from where it's being sold at to get it to the pre-purchase and then to get it delivered to the customer at the end of the process if need be. These are all options that can be explored when you have a broker. Now, the other thing he can do is he can help with aircraft movement, such as getting it in for the pre-purchase, getting it delivered to the customer if need be. They also offer escrow accounts to help move the money around. Great benefit in helping with the paperwork for the FAA with the registration process. You don't want to mess that up. There is a time lag right now with the FAA for paperwork, but overall, it buys you an overall peace of mind. Yes, you could probably get it cheaper without all of this, but one thing you know is you're not going to get taken to the cleaners, not going to fall for a scam. You're going to have that peace of mind buying your first aircraft, especially when you're buying an aircraft for the long haul. You're just not buying something for short term. You're looking to buy an aircraft and fly it for quite a few number of years, even decades. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having fun with your Grumman.